On a sunny big farm, there live lots of lovely and lively animal friends. During the day, there is laughter and joy everywhere. The little chicks run happily in the yard, chasing each other and playing hide and seek. The little rabbits are busy in the carrot field, carefully taking care of their beloved carrots, looking forward to a big harvest. As the sun slowly sets, the sky is dyed orange-red. The moon quietly climbs up the sky, casting a silvery white light, gently covering the whole farm. The lively day is coming to an end, and the animals are starting to get ready to rest. Little chick Coco had a really great time playing today. Now its little wings are a bit sore. It hums a little tune and bounces back to its little nest. The little nest is covered with soft straw, just like a warm little bed. Coco gets into the straw pile, only showing a furry little head. It blinks its shiny eyes and still savors the happy time playing with its little friends during the day. Just then, little chick Pippin comes back too. It says excitedly to Coco, "Coco, do you know? Today I found a lot of little bugs in the grass. They were so fat." Coco yawns and says with a smile, "Wow, that's amazing. But I'm so sleepy now. Let's go find bugs together tomorrow." After that, Coco closes its eyes and soon falls into a sweet dream. On the other side of the farm, little rabbits Luna and Bramble also finish their day's work. They drag their little tired bodies back to their cave. The cave is decorated warmly and comfortably. Luna walks to its bedside, picks up a storybook, and is going to read it for a while before going to bed. Bramble is busy pouring itself a glass of carrot juice. It drinks it up with a gurgle and feels full of energy again in an instant. After drinking the carrot juice, Bramble comes close to Luna and says, "Luna, tell me this story." Luna nods and starts to tell the story vividly. In the story, there is a magical carrot forest where the carrots are big and sweet. As Bramble listens, its eyelids get heavier and heavier, and it slowly falls asleep, leaning against Luna. Luna gently puts down the book, covers Bramble with a soft leaf quilt, and then lies down itself, closes its eyes, and fantasizes about finding that magical carrot forest one day. Little Pig Tumble has been playing in the mud pond all day and is covered in mud. It huffs and puffs back to its little house and plops down on the ground, raising a cloud of dust. Just then, Mother Pig comes over and says with a smile, "Tumble, look at you. You're so dirty. Go take a bath quickly, or you'll be uncomfortable when you sleep." Tumble stands up reluctantly and walks into the small pond beside it to take a bath. It splashes around in the pond, creating sprays of water, and washes itself clean. After taking a bath, Tumble dries itself with a big leaf, then runs to its little bed. It rolls around on the bed like a happy little ball. Suddenly, Tumble remembers the beautiful stone it found in the mud pond today. It quickly takes the stone out from under the pillow, plays with it in its hand for a while, and then falls asleep contentedly, hugging the stone. The other animals on the farm, such as Old Ox Grandpa, Little Horse Stella, and Little Sheep Aster, also go back to their own places, one after another, and get ready to rest. Old Ox Grandpa lies in the cowshed, chewing hay, recalling the good old days, and slowly falls asleep. Little Horse Stella combs its mane neatly in the stable, then closes its eyes, looking forward to running freely in the fields tomorrow. Little Sheep Aster huddles together with its little friends, keeping each other warm, and falls asleep sweetly in the warm atmosphere. The whole farm, under the moonlight, becomes extremely quiet. Only the occasional chirping of insects is heard, as if playing a gentle lullaby for the animals. Each animal, with anticipation for tomorrow, falls into a sweet dream. In their dreams, there may be more interesting adventures, more delicious food, or perhaps just happy times spent with friends. Let's also close our eyes and enter a beautiful dream like these lovely animals. Good night, dear kids. Good night, the animal friends on the farm.